Hi, now I'm gonna show you how to make a potato chips in a microwave. Okay, so you need this potato, small potato or medium potato, and this, and this. Okay, so the first step you're gonna have to need to take out the skin of the potato on this. Okay, I'm gonna take the skin of the potato. I'm gonna washing them, and that's enough. And there, I'm gonna cut the potato, and again I'm gonna need to wash this and wash potato. Okay, so and I'm gonna cut the potato also in this, like this shape. Okay, I'm adding to the right finger. Okay, that's a third finger, and I'm gonna add to them a little bit of oil. A little bit. Okay. Okay, and when I'm finishing them, I'm gonna putting them on this. Yeah, like this. And the paper, I take the paper, it's only for the microwave. Okay, so I'm gonna putting them in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm gonna putting them in the microwave. Yeah, I'm rolling them. I'm putting them for 2 minutes. That's for 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay. Okay, so the 2 minutes are in. Okay, so you're gonna see the potato. It's not all of them completely. So you're gonna putting them like this. Oh, it's very hot. Oh my god. I can't touch them because it was very hot. That is, and I'm gonna putting them more to 4 minutes. You're gonna taking them out in 1 minute and 22 seconds. Okay, so that's the chips. Okay, I'm gonna move them to there. Okay, I'm putting them here. You're gonna take out the potato, the paper, out and putting them in the things what you all need to. So okay, now I'm gonna need paprika. Putting on them paprika and the grilled Argentina and salt. Okay, I am putting on them the paprika and the grilled Argentina and salt. Yeah, I'm gonna putting them in the microwave for 30 seconds. So it's have done. Okay, you can eat the potato. That's it. That's him. Yeah, gonna eat. I'm gonna taste him. It's very nice. Okay, so that's how can you doing the potato chips in the microwave.